Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got something really cool to talk about, especially if you're working with video content and need to make it look, well, way more pro. Maybe you're a YouTuber like me, TikToker, travel vlogger, whatever, or even a brand trying to level up your visuals, or just someone editing clips at home. Either way, this tool will save you time, boost quality, and honestly, make your stuff look like it came out of a high-end studio. It's called Wondershare UniConverter 16. Yeah, I know, sounds kind of technical, but stick with me because it's way easier than it sounds and packs some seriously impressive AI-powered features. I've been using it for a bit, and man, it's like having a full editing team in your laptop. So let's dive in. UniConverter is not just another video converter. It's got that smooth, intuitive interface, the kind you figure out in minutes, not hours. And what really caught my attention is the new upgrade. This version supports almost any device you throw at it. iPhone 16, Samsung, Huawei, etc., all covered. It even handles footage from GoPro and DJI drones. So yeah, if you're shooting action footage or content on the go, you're set. Now here's where it gets spicy. It can batch process videos and images, up to 20 at once. So instead of dragging files in one by one like a caveman, you just toss in the whole folder and let it work its magic. It's like drop, click, done. And then there's the AI stuff. The video enhancer blew my mind. You can take low-res footage and upgrade it to full HD or even 4K. It's not just upscaling, it actually adds details. You get clearer edges, richer colors, just cleaner everything. Great for repurposing old content or upgrading mobile footage to look cinematic. Oh, and the compression tool, game changer, it uses smart AI compression that shrinks your files by 50 to 60% without killing the quality. Seriously, I compressed a 40 megabyte file down to under 8, and you could barely tell the difference. For anyone working with uploads, emails, or limited storage, that's huge. You can even remove watermarks, yep, even in bulk. Up to 20 videos or 100 images at a time. And with like 95% accuracy so it doesn't look glitchy or smudged, it also has ProRes encoding built in. That's something usually reserved for high-end editing tools, and it makes your videos much easier to work with if you're doing more advanced edits later on. Okay, real quick, pros and cons so we stay fair. Pros, it's super fast thanks to GPU acceleration. It supports over 1,000 formats. It's beginner friendly but has enough tools for pros. You can edit, compress, convert, enhance, watermark, subtitle, crop, merge, and even stabilize videos all in one app. Downside, it's not free, but honestly, if you work with video regularly or want your brand to stop looking like it was shot on a potato, this is one of those tools that pays for itself in no time. If you've ever looked at a competitor's video and thought, why does theirs look so clean and polished? This might be the missing piece. So if you want to upgrade your visual game and save hours every week, go try UniConverter 16. The link is down below. Test it out and let me know what you think. And hey, if you found this helpful or learned something new, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and we've got more AI and video tools coming your way real soon. Catch you in the next one.